Boom shakalaka, it seems like the altcoin markets are starting to heat up exactly as people are still fearful. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 coins to FOMO into before the whole market catches fire and these things likely go parabolic. Plus, we're also going to be taking a look at the top 3 crypto Black Friday deals you'll probably want to take part of. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we're taking a look at the top 5 projects to FOMO into before everybody else jumps in, the market catches fire, and everything goes parabolic. Because it seems like we are coming off of a little bit of fear in the markets after a lot of greed in the markets. Well, people are still just a little bit fearful, but it's starting to heat up. So now would be the time to place your bets on some of the most underrated coins out there, ones particularly that rate very highly using the TM grade. Now, before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Also, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love, where every week we give away one of these sweet shirts. If you guys could just like the video, it helps out so much. Also, we're going to be going over 3 Black Friday deals you'll probably want to take part in, because these are insane deals that come around once a year. And also, today's video is sponsored by Hokk Finance, so stay tuned until the end for a sponsored review. Now, if we take a look at the Crypto Fear and Greed Index over time, we can see that a couple weeks ago, we were in insane greed territory. Well, the prices of everything dropped. People went into fearful territory. You can kind of see a little bit of a trend line right there. Seems like we found the bottom of it. Now, we're starting to see some altcoins pop off, and likely in the future, well, everything's going to catch fire, especially over the next couple months. So we're going to be taking a look at some of the top coins today. Before we get into that, guys, I just wanted to bring your attention to some Black Friday deals, because these things come around once a year, and they are definitely worth taking a part in. So first thing is TradingView. If you don't have a Pro Plus, or Premium membership, look at this, 40%, 50%, and 60% off. If you use a link down in the pinned comment, it costs you nothing, helps out the channel. So I would appreciate that if you are considering getting a TradingView membership. Now is the time of year to do it. You get the best deals, period. Also, Token Metrics, starting on Friday, is going to be having 40% off. You rarely ever see discounts this big on Token Metrics. There is a link down in the pinned comment with a coupon code. You can use that starting on Friday to get insane discounts on Token Metrics. And lastly, guys, Cointelegraph's Markets Pro, 20% off using the coupon code down in the pinned comment. This is something that is great for knowing which coins to take a look at on a regular basis. Plus, also you can use newsquakes like this, so you can get information about partnerships and stuff before anybody else. Like you can see a newsquake right here. Well, guess what? The price was 22 cents before it went all the way up to 46 cents, and you would know that stuff before anybody else using Cointelegraph's Markets Pro. Now, that alone is something worthwhile, but taking a look at the Vortex score, they picked out 6 out of the top 10 gainers in the last week. So it's definitely a platform worth looking at. And since they're having a discount, another one worth taking a look at. TradingView, Token Metrics, and Cointelegraph Markets Pro. There's links all down in the pinned comment. You don't want to miss out on these insane deals. Now, like I said, it seems like the fear is subsiding. It seems like coins are popping off. Well, now's the time to go take a look at some of the best projects out there and make an absolute killing from them. Now, people ask me, how am I able to pick out such good coins when there's so many coins out there? Well, the honest answer is I don't do the work myself. I use Token Metrics all the time, because they use artificial intelligence and machine learning, basically computers, to do all the heavy computing to find out the projects that are likely to do better than other projects. This is based on the same system that Ian Bellina used in the last bull run to turn $20,000 into over $5 million. So it's definitely an awesome thing to do. And one of my favorite things to do on here is when I go on Token Metrics, go to Analytics, go to Ratings, and that rates all the coins based on their TM grade, which is a 1-number grade that you can look at to tell how good a coin is. And I like to go to a monthly time frame. First, because I don't trade that often. Because I'm a U.S. citizen, we get taxed out the wazoo for every short-term trade. But second, because it gives me the best fundamentals, I believe, on the projects, the ones that are that have the best opportunity to do well over the long term. So you can see, here's some of the top coins to take a look at. We're going to take a look at the top 5 today, and then see where they are on the charts. So first one is Metis, a layer 2 roll-up platform for dApps, DAOs, NFTs, people, Web3 economy, low gas fees, fast transactions, native storage, high security, simple implementation, all on Ethereum, all decentralized, only with Metis. Kind of sounds like it could be one of the next type Matic, something like that. So you can see how it solves all of Ethereum's biggest challenges like transaction costs, speeds, functionality, usability, affordability, scalability, security, DAO, quick start, and it works for blockchain projects, for app developers, for everyone. You can find your use cases. So DAOs are very popular right now. We got dApps, we got DeFi 2.0, NFT minting and trading, freelance business, social reputation, gig economy, sharing economy, all this type of stuff. Anyone, anywhere can thrive in the decentralized economy. So that's the first one. If we take a look at it right now, trading at $94, ranked 419. So this is how you find hidden gems. You don't get ones on the first page of CoinMarketCap. You get legit projects on the second through 100th page of CoinMarketCap. Well, Token Metrics helps you pick those out. Right now, market cap $137 million. And if we see here, hasn't had any insane pumps. This was a little bit of a parabolic rise, but for the most part, it's just been coming up somewhat steadily. And if we take a look at the markets, well, not available that many places. Gate.io, so it's available for Americans. We also have some decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Hotbit. So definitely one worth taking a look at, especially if it solves some Ethereum scalability and becomes quite popular as a layer 2 platform. The next one is Bitcube or BitCub, which is aiming to be one of the largest exchanges in Asia, and BitCub coin, I'm not sure. Well, anyways, this one ranks second. Right now trading at $2.28, market cap $253 million. And as we can see here, it did have quite the run up. It went from 97 cents to about 262. Now we've had a little bullish pennant right there, and it looks like it's starting to take off again. Could potentially go up about the same amount, which would bring it up another $1 or so in price. Now this one is a difficult one to get, only available on their own exchange, Bitcube. So you might want to go create an account there and get some of it if you're interested. The next one would be AdShares. Look at this, new listing in 8 hours, probably be like 7 or 6 hours by the time you see this, but sometimes new listings, especially if they're good, they can cause the price to pump. Now this is a Web3 protocol for metaverse space monetization, advertising in the metaverse. What could be more profitable than that? I don't know. Create imaginary space and then advertise in it. Forget real billboards, you know? Well, anyways, you can advertise in any metaverse and has a whole bunch of stuff: speed, privacy, middleman elimination, high performance, staking, and cross-chain, and all of that. Now, if we take a look at AdShares right now, 254, market cap $50 million. And as we can see, guys, this one has been flagging on Token Metrics since somewhere around here, back when it was about $1, and it's already continuing to go up. Look like we have a little bit of a coil forming right here before the price either goes up or goes down, but potentially looks like the indicator is saying, hey, it might go up. Now, if we take a look, available on decentralized exchanges, period. So if this turns out to be a big exchange listing, like something like Coinbase, Binance, KuCoin, something like that, well, we could see the price pump quite a bit on that one. The next one is Nabox, cross-chain DeFi wallet with decentralized identifier for Web 3.0. Multi-chain wallet, dApp Explorer cross-chain transactions. So second layer cross-chain, compatible with multiple protocols, supports multiple chains, has a user base of 40,000 plus, and all of that. You can see all the chains supported right now down here and their roadmap and everything. Now, Nabox right now trading at $0.00015 and market cap $19 million right now, ranked 1060. So this one's way down there, but we can see the price headed up pretty parabolically, but it looks like it could potentially continue with that chart considering how low down it is ranked right now. This one only on decentralized exchanges, PancakeSwap, but also on, Who, Bitmart, different ones like that, Dodo, ApeSwap. So that's where it's available, which brings us to the last one, which is the highest ranked coin. I did these in inverse high rankings, so if you stuck around to the last one, you get the potential best coin there, highest ranked Token Metrics. This one's highest ranked, not Nabox, but the one I'm about to show you, highest ranked both on a daily and a weekly time frame. Well, it would be none other than Diversify. We help you make the most of DeFi, decentralized exchange, the easiest way to access DeFi opportunities on Ethereum, invest, trade, and send tokens without paying gas fees. What's not to love? That sounds awesome. It's as easy as connect your wallet, make a deposit, start buying, selling, and earning. So it's basically Ethereum without gas fees. A suite of tools for any DeFi user. You can manage your crypto, you can trade your crypto, you can earn on your crypto, backed by the best, a whole bunch of people here, and a trusted protocol, fast, private, and safe. So a full suite of tools for any DeFi user. Now, if we take a look at this one, right now ranked 585, so still way down there. Right now trading at $11.37, $72 million market cap. And as we see, the prices just started to tick up. It was about $4 before it ticked up, so it's already over doubled. But again, ranked 585, has a whole suite of DeFi tools. And right now, only listed on Uniswap, SushiSwap, and Diversify. So that brings us back to the top 5 coins to take a look at. And you can see how high the TM grade for some of these is. Like Diversify, 95%, Nabox, 90%, AdShares, 89%, Bitcube, 88%, Metis, 88%. Now, I'm not saying that all of these coins are going to moon immediately, and I'm not even saying that all of them are going to moon, but when they score highly on TM grades, generally, the price tends to go up. And with the market turning bullish now, it would seem like a very good time to maybe put a little bit in each one of these, and then when they pop, well, sell them, take your money, and go do other fun stuff with it. Which brings us to the sponsored part of this episode by Hokk Finance. Now, it should be said, this is a sponsored review, so clearly do your own due diligence. I'm not recommending the project to you. This is not an endorsement of the project. This is just me going over the project, and then you can do your own due diligence, and if it's something that interests you, you could definitely find out more. So to begin with, some things about Hokk Finance. So it's looking to position itself as the #1 meme token to enter the Asian and African markets in DeFi 2.0, with several notable financial products in the ecosystem to offer to users. As a part of the restructure, Hokk Finance also launched Hokk across 3 blockchains simultaneously: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Huobi EcoChain, or HICO, with an enormously reduced supply and exciting new tokenomics to reward holders. Additionally, a customized bridge was created in order to equalize pricing of Hokk tokens across all 3 chains, a major feat in the right direction to enable Hokk holders the opportunity to utilize their tokens in new and exciting ways. The core components of Hokk Finance transformation is their portal, HokkFi, with an all-in-one decentralized financial ecosystem where a user will be able to access financial products that they would use in their everyday lives. HokkFi will give users several features, including the ability to send and receive money through its remittance services, invest in DeFi projects, donate to eco-conscious companies, buy NFTs, and even stake and receive their pensions in ETH, a huge move by Hokk to disrupt the pension industry. The full list of products can be found at hokk.finance/products. Now, one of the most exciting parts of the Hokk Finance transformation is the setting up of physical headquarters in both Singapore and Dubai, appointing a world-class board of advisors, and establishing the proper licensing with the necessary authorities in order to make the project a first mover in the meme market. In addition to their global strategy, Hokk Finance is seeking to enter the Asian and African markets, complying with regulators to give users direct access to HokkFi, opening a world of opportunity for current crypto evangelists, the next crypto generation. Hokk Finance plans to hire several new strategic people over the next coming 12 months. So if we take a look at the website, Meme Utility, giving you the financial freedom you deserve, you can buy Hokk right there on their website. And like mentioned previously, they have 3 chains: ETH chain, BSC chain, and HICO chain, all right there. Decentralized, autonomous, community powered. You can start your financial freedom by investing in the native token Hokk from their own multi-chain exchange, Hokk Finance. You can see a picture of it right here, or we actually have the website right here where there's the swap, the pool, the bridge, all that stuff. You just connect a wallet, and then you can see all the different tokens they have way down here. Now, going on further on the website, financial products for your everyday life. So transfer your money your way. You can send money instantly for low rates. You can invest in game-changing DeFi projects, and something very interesting that I haven't heard anyone else doing yet is grow your pension and retire early, a community-powered pension investing exclusively in cryptocurrencies and projects. Now, they're creating the future of money today for the children of tomorrow, including DeFi, community-driven, no corporate overheads, frictionless money transfers, accessible globally, fast, secure, and easy. Leveraging community to build an inclusive financial ecosystem, Community Foundation Director and Singapore, and then they're aiming to bring utility to meme tokens. Now, other things we can see is this is an update from just this week here, November 18th, brand and business update. They've been doing a whole bunch of stuff, so you can see here all the stuff they've done out. They've hired a PR agent to work with large brands and celebrities. They're working with an Indian crypto agency. They're experimenting with other crypto agencies. They've hired one of the most influential crypto influencers in China, also working with a Chinese media agency. They're about to work with one of the top blockchain PR marketing agencies in Singapore, working with US-based marketing agencies. So you can see they're doing a lot of marketing with Twitter influencers, with TikTok, US and PR, crypto and PR industry agency. They've hired Coinzilla to distribute web banners. So a whole bunch of stuff there. And then in business, they have applied for registration to open an office in Dubai. We're waiting for final pieces of information to commence registering in Singapore. And they've entered an agreement with blockchain HR company specializing in recruiting top crypto talent for Hokk finance team. Hunt for several new advisors. Just signed to work with one of the leading blockchain development companies in the US. And they have their 30K security audit underway. So all that stuff going on with Hokk Finance. If you want to check it out, you can go to their website, hokk.finance, or you could just click the link down in the pinned comment. Thanks for sponsoring the video, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.